What's going on, everybody? Sean Player here with Player Enterprise. Man, we're halfway there, guys. It's the first month of June. Wow, can you believe that? The first day of June. Not the first month of June. The first day of June. Man, as you can tell, I am super excited for two things. You know, we have a really huge team growing right now. Super excited about the people that I'm helping. I'm helping a couple of people reach their goals and their dreams. So if you ever wonder what product that Player Enterprise is promoting, you definitely want to get in touch with me or the person that shares this video. You definitely want to see what we got going on. We're in the middle of a huge promotion, a huge promotion for Player Enterprise. We're doing Beast Mode 90. Beast mode, man. We're going after it. We're chasing after our dreams. We're chasing after our goals. We're going at it, man, and we're taking a whole lot of people with us. We're excited. So if you've ever wanted to do something, now's the time. If you ever wanted to bet on yourself, now's the time. I'm looking to help a whole lot of people win. This is the biggest project that I've done in my life. I'm excited. Man, the team is on fire. Everybody's motivated. You know, so are we continually doing the same thing that we did last year, last month, or are we finally taking the chance to bet on ourselves? You don't have to do what I'm doing, but you have to do something. So, hey, let's get moving. I'm excited. I'm here for you. Hey, let's get in touch.